Yo, it's JRC, and today I'm going to be using a Psycho Evil Royal Ghost deck. This deck is so good. It's 1.9 elixir, and it's super easy to use. You just spam basically, because most likely the opponent doesn't have a cheap deck like yours, and it's a 1.9, so you just want to spam. And this deck is super good. I've been winning a lot of games with this deck. I was doing the 20-win challenge, and I think it was 8 or 9 wins with this deck. And right now, I am doing the 20-win challenge in this video, so I'm not playing bots because I did see some people like saying a level 11 theory. So yeah, I'm doing the 20-win challenge, so these people are not bots, and these people are actually pretty good. So all these games are actually, I had to try a little bit, but this deck is pretty good, you know. Just want to spam. And the Evil Royal Ghost is super good. Especially in this 21 challenge, everybody likes to use the Evil Royal Ghost because it's super overpowered. Especially once the Evil Royal Ghost reaches your tower, like once the Evil Royal Ghost locks in on your tower and has the Evo, it basically takes like half your tower or like most of your tower. I mean, half of your tower or your whole tower basically. But yeah, this is really good. And as you can see, my placements, I don't know if my placements are bad, but I think they're pretty good. And I'm gonna have to use all my stuff right here, my cheap stuff, to kill the magical archer. I'm gonna play aggressive. I don't want him to get any chip damage, and I should be spamming him, but at the same time I do need to save up some elixir. I don't want to be spamming the whole game because that might be bad and I might lose. But look, he doesn't really have anything for this, and I'm gonna go in the back, and look, he does have that. I don't think it hits the thing. Yeah, it doesn't hit it. He does have a monk. The monk is so annoying. I hate that card. And he goes in here with the balloon. And I should stop this easily. No way he connects with my tower here. He shouldn't be able to connect. Okay, that Dark Goblin placement was kind of bad. Maybe that's good. I should have placed it more in the middle. I mean, on the bottom of the thing. And I should get a hit. I get 2 hits on the tower with the wall break. Is nice. And I'm going to go all in right here. Since it's double elixir, I do need to pressure this dude. Just spam him. He doesn't have elixir. I want to try and pressure this dude as much as possible so he doesn't place his balloon. And he does have the Evil Executioner, but that's fine. I usually have a hard time against the Evil Executioner, but this time it shouldn't be an issue since my deck is 1.9 elixir. And I hate how the monk just doesn't die. And he goes with a P.E.K.K.A. So he has P.E.K.K.A. Balloon. That is already no skill in this challenge, bro. And look at this. The Evil Royal Ghost, look how good it is. It should take out both of these things. And it should take out the P.E.K.K.A. Okay, nice. It does take out the P.E.K.K.A. and it's still alive. And I'm going to have to spam. This dude is kind of defending this pretty well. I would pressure the opposite lane, but this tower is super low, so that wouldn't be smart for me to go opposite side. I'm going to keep on pressuring this dude right here. And he's doing pretty good defensively, so it might be tough. I thought I was going to win easily. And I should be able to get some chip damage if I keep spamming here. If I try and defend, he's going to go balloon, and he's just going to take my tower. So I'm going to have to spam this game right here. And he shouldn't be able to stop my pushers right here. Okay, he's kind of doing good. Never mind. He's kind of doing good defensively. I cannot let that magical archer connect to my tower. Okay, he got 1 hit. That's fine. And okay, I do have my Evil Royal Ghost in cycle. Oh, he goes a balloon. Okay, so hopefully he doesn't take my tower here. I only have the Dark Goblin for the balloon. And he shouldn't take my tower. No way he takes my tower. Okay, it looks like, okay, one more. Okay, now he didn't take my tower. Okay, hopefully I don't sell this game because he is coming back, kind of. I'm not able to connect to the tower. He's playing pretty good defense right here. Okay, he has nothing. That's game. Bang. GG. Okay, so I'm going up against MOU. Okay, I'm going to pressure him with wall breakers immediately, and he goes snowball. He does have the Goblin Drill. I think the Royal Ghost does counter the Goblin Drill because it did kind of stop it. So I might be good here. As long as I save the Royal Ghost for the Goblin Drill, I should be good, honestly. It should stop it. And I'm going to pressure both lanes. He does have a log and a cannon. So I'm not sure what I need to do. Maybe I need to spam faster so it could get through the cannon and the log, because he is going to be logging the Suspicious Bush. Hopefully, I can make him use his log before so I can go Suspicious Bush, and I force him to use cannon. Then I go wall breakers. Okay, he's going to go defensive Gob Drill. I don't know if that was smart. Maybe. I wouldn't do that. But he does want to. It looks like he does want to save the log for the evil wall breakers and the cannon. Okay, he poisoned that. I'm gonna go in here. Is he gonna? Oh, he does go log. He doesn't have the cannon, right? He doesn't have elixir. One hit. Nice. I did get one hit. Okay, and the royal ghost should connect. Hopefully the electric spirit connects to the tower here. And it doesn't connect. Okay, I'm gonna get some good here. Some good chip damage right here. Oh, he's still gonna try and pressure me. The Goblin Drill isn't really doing anything. Okay, he has a bomber on top. This is not looking good. He's gonna get some good chip damage on my tower. This is not looking good. This is actually not looking good at all. Okay, I'm gonna pressure him. I have the evil royal ghost. I'm gonna pressure both lanes. I'm not sure why he's evil snowball. I think that was a bad evil snowball. Okay, nice. The evil royal ghost is so good. Look at it. It's so good. And he has no elixir for the suspicious bush. If you guys don't know, the suspicious bush does so much damage. Look at that. And my royal ghosts are gonna connect. Okay, they don't connect, but he stops my wall breaker. Okay, this is actually crazy. He is actually stopping my pushes, which is kind of crazy. I was expecting at least the wall breaker to get a connection when the tower. And he's gonna go Goblin Drill. He is getting some good chip damage with the Goblin Drill. I thought the royal ghost would counter it, but he's somehow able to get some good chip damage. And I'm able to cycle back to my evil royal ghost really fast. This is why this deck is really good. And he doesn't have anything for the wall breaker. Nice. I do get one connection, and hopefully, never mind, the cannon dies. After the suspicious bush connects, I'm gonna have to pressure this dude, spam him. He's gonna keep going poison Goblin Drill. He's getting good chip damage on my tower, and I can't really defend that. The royal ghost does a good job, but he's still able to get some good chip damage on my tower. I'm gonna apply pressure on both lanes here. And there's no way he defends. Okay, nice. Looks like my wall breaker. And my wall breaker does get a connection. And that is an evil wall breaker, by the way. And hopefully my electric. Okay, nice. I got a connection with the fire spirit and the electric spirit. And my wall breakers, please. Of course, he goes cannon like a tryhard, bro. He's such a tryhard. Okay, I'm going to pre-log right here. And he has nothing for the suspicious bush. Okay, never mind. He goes some. Oh, electric spirit is going to connect. Nice. A little bit chip damage here. I'm only up by a little bit. This is not looking good so far. But it is overtime. It is double elixir. I don't know if it's triple elixir in overtime, but I think he's messing up by going defensive Goblin Drill, because he was doing better going. If he kept on applying pressure to my tower, going Goblin Drill poison, he could have probably did better. But he's going defensively, and I don't think that's gonna work for him. I'm gonna have to keep on pressuring this dude. There's no way this dude could defend my push for this long. If I keep on spamming, he's just not gonna have enough elixir. Look at my suspicious bush right here. I'm gonna get some good chip damage, and I have wall breakers. Oh my gosh, wall breakers, please connect. Nice, and that's game GG. Okay, so we're going to the next game. This dude has wall breakers. He does split them in the middle. And okay, it looks like he has a cheap deck. He did stop my wall breakers. And hopefully he's not running an annoying deck. I'm going to pressure both lanes right here. I'm going to see what he has. Okay, the suspicious bush somehow summons. I don't know if it takes time to load in like invisible, but I do get some good chip damage. Skeletons on top to bring the Valkyrie back. And he does have wall breakers. And this time he does play him at the same spot. But I have the log, which is really good. And I'm going to keep on applying pressure. I don't want to just wait and defend, because he doesn't have less elixir than me. So I got to keep on applying pressure. I don't think the Ice Spirit will stop it. Okay, of course he goes Valkyrie like a tryhard, bro. This dude is such a tryhard, by the way. And I'm going to have to place a Dark Goblin in the middle or something. Okay, the Electric Spirit does do good against the Goblin Bear. I'm going to go Fire Spirit, make the Valkyrie go back just so it doesn't connect to the tower. High IQ play. And I'm going to keep on applying pressure. And I do know he has the cannon and the Ice Spirit. So I'm going to see. I'm going to let the cannon go. Okay, nice. The cannon's dead. I'm going to go Evil Wall Breakers. He has nothing. The Fire Spirit's not going to stop it. The Berserker, nice. 2 hits. Nice. See? This is why his deck is so good. If he has a cannon Tesla, you want to take it out with the Suspicious Bush, then go in Wall Breakers, and he's going to have nothing for it. This is why it's so good. And the Evil Royal Ghost is a annoying card. I have 3 annoying cards. Wall Breakers, Royal Ghost, and Suspicious Bush. Those decks are all really annoying. And I'm going to keep on spamming this dude. I don't know if I should save up like 10 elixir, but I do just want to spam this dude. And I want to keep on applying pressure. I'm not going to let him get any chip damage. I want to play aggressive here. And keep on applying pressure. And make him hopefully give up. Or just, I get his tower by just spamming cards. Okay, and I'm going to get some good chip damage with the Suspicious Bush right here. And I should stop his push. He gives me log value right here. And nice, he places Evil Wall Breakers, which was not a good play because I did log. I'm not sure why he did that. And I'm just going to spam opposite a little bit. Okay, he does go Goblin Barrel. I think that's his first time using Goblin Barrel, but that's not going to be enough. And look at this. I have the Evil Royal Ghost. Connection on the tower. Nice. And I took the tower like that with the evil wall breakers and the royal ghost. I don't know. I'm not sure if it was... Okay, I'm not sure what side he went on the goblin. Wait, why did he place the goblin barrel right there? I don't think that was smart. He played it way too high on top. Okay, I might be good. I just need to defend right now. And I should be good, honestly. Yeah, I don't think it's enough time for him to come back. I'm going to spam defensive cards. And it should be game right here, honestly. Oh, yeah, 10-9 seconds. Okay, he's going to keep on trying to win. I should have just let him get chip damage with the Goblin Barrel because it won't take my tower out. But I have to just play aggressive, make sure. Good game. Okay, this is the deck that I'm using. It's a 1.9. I do have Evil Wall Breakers, Evil Royal Ghost, Suspicious Bush, Dark Goblin, Fire Spirit, Skeletons, and Electro Spirit and Lock. It's a 1.9 deck. This deck is super good. It is an annoying deck, you see. Once the Evil Royal Ghost connects to the tower, it's basically GG. It takes most of the tower or the whole tower. And the Suspicious Bush is a annoying card. This card is so annoying, and it's only 2 elixir. And I also have the Evil Wall Breakers, which is 2 elixir, and it's so annoying. And the Dark Goblin is 3 elixir, and that card is so annoying. So I have like 3 annoying cards. This deck is super good. I was doing the 20-win challenge. The most wins I got with this deck, I would say like 8 or 9 wins. I'm not sure how many, but I did get 8 or 9 wins with this deck. This deck is super good. You guys should try it out. And if you don't have Evos, you could do Classic 1v1, 10 gems, and you could try out this. You could try out the Evos. This deck is pretty good. They might nerf the Evil Royal Ghost soon, but for right now, it's pretty good. If you guys are new, like and subscribe. It helps me out so much. And if you guys do, thank you so much. Peace.